So if you want to install the headlamp grill on your Ducati Scrambler, you're going to have to disconnect these side blinkers. I'm using what I had, so I've got a 3/16. Just going to go here on the outside, and to hold the nut that's on the inside, 10mm worked for me. Even though the grill looks 100% symmetrical, the brackets are not. So you'll notice that this bracket is fairly parallel and this one shoots down. So it's fine, because if you put them on the wrong side, you can just rotate it. But my point is that when you put this on your bike, you're going to want the angles down. You're going to want it to go down. Don't try to put it on your bike where the angle goes up, because what it's going to do, it's going to tilt. It's going to tilt your grill. You'll find out. If you do it wrong, you'll find out. It'll be obvious. All right, I did not want to disconnect the wires. You got to unbolt the tank and then move the tank back. You got to take off the seat. I don't want to do all that. So you see that little slit there that allows the cable to move in? And then you've got this adapter. It also has this little slit allowing the cable to move in. Well, I went ahead and cut the little slit, so I don't have to take off the blinkers. I can just throw it on. All right, so finished product. If you were to do it reversed, then your grill would be popping off the bike like that, okay? Me personally, I'm trying to black out my bike, so I'm gonna be using an oil-based black paint pen, and after it's tight, I'm gonna come around and get all the silver parts. That's just your choice, obviously, if you have silver on your bike, and there's no need to do this. But I'm getting rid of all the silver on my bike. I would give it a few hours to dry, and then I'd hit it one more time.